Hi, my name is Liliane Poirier, and today we're going to make a quinoa and Roma tomato salads. Quinoa, that's a grain we don't know too much about, but we should pay real attention to it. It comes in red and white. It's a complete protein. It contains almost all the amino acids that are essential to our bodies. It's rich in fiber, it has iron, and we can have it warm for breakfast with some nice fresh apples and dried raisins and nuts. We can have it for desserts. We can have it instead of starch. Actually, it's a very versatile food, so you should have it in your kitchen. We're going to start the salad now. We need half a cup of water, half a cup of homemade chicken broth. This is so that you can control the amount of sodium that you in your diet. Half a cup of rinsed quinoa. Now this is very important. You have to rinse this completely. Put this on the stove and it's cooked in 15 minutes. Our quinoa is now cooked and I've put it on this plate so that it will become room temperature. And now we're going to make our vinaigrette for the salad. To make the vinaigrette, you need the zest and the juice of 1 medium lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Now the vinaigrette is finished, so we're going to put our salad together. I like to mix my salad by hand, so I'm going to wear some gloves here. For a lower cost option, you can always buy your quinoa in bulk. It'll save you a lot of money. The quinoa's in the bowl. Now I'm going to add my diced tomatoes, my vinaigrette, my 1/3 cup of mint, but I always cheat a little bit. I love mint, so I will always put a little bit of extra. And add a little bit more pepper. And don't forget, think healthy, eat healthy. Bye.